So this is a quick little look at the LEVOIT air purifier for home allergy pets hairs for any room in the house. Now this is a power-packed little air purifier that does a lot of things in a small package. You could really geek out on it with all the features it comes with, but basically it's a very efficient, very quiet, out of sight, out of mind air purifier that does the job. Super high performance, fresh air in 12 minutes with the Core 300P air purifier. It has a 360-degree air intake, a CADR of 141 CFM, and that is the clean air delivery rate. You can purify air of 1,000 square foot space in 1 hour. So this is a big little machine in a tiny little cool package, and you won't regret picking up one. Super quiet in sleep mode. It's a top seller. You just got to get one.